everything in. Transmission wasn't going on that easy, but now it's in. Everything's bolted in. And now we're gonna get down to the moment of starting it up. Alright, clutch is installed. We're gonna start it up. Our moment of truth. Yeah. Alright, shift through, hold the clutch and shift through each gear. Hold the clutch and shift through each gear. Okay, how's the clutch pedal feel? Feel good? Alright. Go to first gear. You let go? Let go of the clutch. Let go of the brake too. Oh, we're good, good. Alright, we're neutral, and how does the clutch pedal feel? No, but how's the actual pedal feel? What do you, what? It's okay. Remember before how it was so soft?
No, it's okay now.
Okay, okay. Alright, we're good. Start off. Okay, the car is done. We installed the clutch. Took a bit of time, but we got it in. We're in the braking period right now, so once the braking period is done, we'll come back to you with a video, and we'll see how it is. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys.